we are going to show some new devices in Lenovo platform in CES 2018 Asia. So this one is a server you can put in your home, so you can store files into it, and your mobile phone can access this file through Wi-Fi. And it has 4 TB in storage, and you can access things in a very fast speed. All remote control, like all your family devices can share this server. So you connect this server with a cable that directly connected to your router in your home. So this one is the smart locker. From here you can see there's a fingerprint reader. So you can use your fingerprint to access your home through this locker. And also you can use a NFC chip to unlock your door. If your fingerprint and NFC doesn't work, there's a screen. You can also use PIN code to unlock your door as well. This one is the smart speaker in your home. You can talk to it, and it also can play sound for you. It is very like a HomePod made by Lenovo. And for example, you speak to it like open the TV or open the air cleaner, open the door. It can do it through a connection to Wi-Fi. But we also have a child version of this speaker. Like inside this speaker, you have many content that is especially designed for child, like e-books that children read, or music only for child. This one is the smart TV, like an Apple TV. So it has an Android system, and especially something special for it is the speaker is made from JBL, which has great qualities and great sound effects.